Hello there! Today we have an excellent opportunity to try out i13 TWS or True Wireless Earbuds from gearbest.com. Not everyone is ready to pay $180 for AirPods. That's why there are such earphones as i13 that you can buy from gearbest.com or any other global internet shop for around $20. On the streets you look like you have paid $160 for AirPods or even $200 for AirPods too. That's very sick, dude! At that price you can buy Shure SC series wireless in-ear monitor type earphones that are a lot better. Let's return to i13. So what do we get for $20? First thing we see, earphones support Bluetooth 5.0. It's pretty sad that AirPods Gen 1 only have Bluetooth 4.0. No hate, just facts. Earphones are available in 5 colors. But if you want to look like AirPods user, you have to buy white ones. Because AirPods Gen 1 are only in white color, but Gen 2 white and black. Very big sad. Even though a lot of custom shops are selling different color models that look very nice, there's nothing much left on packaging. Only a sticker with information that earbuds are white and made in China. Also, the contents of package is mentioned. Let's just get right into it, gamers! Just by touching the package, it feels like they're better than $20. First thing we see is earphone charging case that, surprisingly, is packed in a small bag. Very Gucci. Also, there's a lightning type USB charging cable. And a small manual. Manual, as always, has only important information, and that information is in English and unknown to me language. If someone understands this, please let me know in the comments. Charging cable maybe is a little bit short, but I don't think that it will be a big problem. Easy to charge using power bank though. And now the sweet stuff, earbuds themselves. Charging box looks good, maybe even too good, and that is suspicious. There's a sound when closing the box. Earbuds themselves are being held by magnets, and I don't see any visual defects. That makes me happy. Is nice. Maybe there's someone that uses these earphones, or maybe earphones from other i-series. How is it? The best thing is, if you're clumsy and open the box upside down, earphones don't fall out. Earphones themselves look very beautiful. AirPod users will immediately see main differences. Maybe you can tell what is different, and who will name more differences. Box is also very nice. Small, compact, and fits every pocket. But how many differences are between this charging box and AirPod box? Charging light is not nice. Looks like a blurry blotch. It's not a single pretty diode, but a spot that shines through plastic. The same spot also shines while connecting. Well, the good news are that light on earphones in the dark looks okay. Connecting them to phone is very easy. Click the button on charging box. Blue light turns on, and then put the earphones in your ears. Then turn on Bluetooth in your phone, TV or other device, and at available devices find i13. And then just connect to it. After a while, confirm all windows and earphones will be connected to your phone, where you will also see basic information about the status of your earphones. Now just open up YouTube Trends, find a nice track and test these bad boys out. It's hard to surprise me, because I have used over 301 headphone models. And it's hard to find ones with a very good sound, especially at this price. Everyone is definitely interested in how they sound. I could say that they sound better than they're worth. If you use Logitech or worse, for example, laptop sound, then they will be very okay for you. But if you use HiFi system, then maybe there's no reason for you to buy these, as you will probably have other requirements for the sound. All in all, I like these earphones. They have a small bass. It will come in handy when riding a bike because they don't suppress the surrounding sounds. Also, they will be very handy when you want to listen to podcasts while going to work or just watch some videos. Nice price and performance friend that you don't have to worry about if you lose them because you didn't spend $200 on. If you use these earphones, share your impressions here at the comment section. Of course, don't forget to put a like and subscribe so we can meet in my other videos. For now, ciao!